Dr. Cutter with the Chainsaw Hospital. Today we're going to be talking about how to start an Echo ES250, and this will apply to the PB250 also. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pump that purge bulb a few times just to kind of get some fresh fuel into the carburetor, and then we're going to flip our choke switch to the up position, which is the cold start or the choke position. And then we're going to take our ignition switch here and we're going to flip it forward to the run position. So next up, we'll just kind of hold our finger on the trigger. Since this doesn't have a high idle, it does have the cruise control, which you could use. And then what we're going to do is pull our recoil handle here and see if we can get it to try to start. So there you go. It started right up. If it would have shut off with the choke on, what I would have done is taken the little lever for the choke and flipped it down to run, and then pulled on it again, and that would have, it would have started right up with one or two pulls after that. So yeah, that's about it from me, guys. Remember, take care of your small engines and treat them well.